Strain. Strain is also a muscle injury. Strain can be mild as well as severe. Sometimes the complete muscle can be ruptured. In case of complete rupture, it is not possible to move that part of limb or limb. There may be severe pain around the rupture. There may be many situations during the practice or competition when a strain may occur. As a matter of fact, a strain is caused by twisting or pulling of a muscle or tendon. It can happen suddenly or develop over days or weeks. A sudden strain is caused by recent injury, lifting heavy objects or rods in wrong way and overstressing the muscles. Chronic strains are usually caused by moving the muscle and tendons in repetition. Prevention. From the prevention point of view, every sports person should perform a complete warm-up before participating in any sports activity. He should do stretching exercise of all the parts of body. Conditioning should have been performed during the preparatory period. Sports equipment must be of good quality. Playfield and court should be smooth and clean. Scientific knowledge of game is must. Players should be careful and alert during training competition. Good officiating is essential. Players should be continue to play during the state of fatigue. Sprain. It is a ligament injury, which is quite a different factor than muscle injury. It may occur due to overstretching or tearing of a ligament. Many things can cause sprain. Falling, twisting or getting hit with can force a point out or of its normal position. This can cause ligaments around the joint to tear. Generally, sprain occurs at wrist joint and ankle joint. Sometimes fracture is also possible along with sprain. In such injury, swelling, inflammation, severe pain and tenderness are common symptoms. There can be laxity in the ligament. All the above mentioned symptoms depend on the severity of sprain. Prevention. A thorough warm-up is necessary for preventing sprain, especially all the joints should be exercised well during warm-up. Proper conditioning should be done during preparatory phase. All the sports equipment must be of good quality. Playfield and court should be smooth and clean. Good officiating is essential. Rule for game should be followed. Players should be careful and alert during practice, training, competition. Players should not continue in the case of fatigue. Always try to eat well-balanced diet to keep muscle strong. Maintain health.